Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic of types of wind turbines. What is mean by wind turbines? What are the types of wind turbines? What is wind turbines? It is a device that is used to convert wind kinetic energy into the electrical energy. It is also referred to as wind energy converter. This figure shows the wind turbines. The next one is, what are the types of wind turbines? There are two major types of wind turbines, such as horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbines. What is mean by horizontal axis wind turbines? In this turbine, the blade can be upward of length 60 meter and it can produce up to 20 megawatt of electricity. The horizontal axis wind turbine is the most common wind turbine design. In horizontal axis wind turbine, there are three classifications. The first one is upwind turbines. This means that the turbine that face the wind. It means that the wind blows directly into the turbine, not coming from behind it. The second one is downwind turbines. It is opposite to the upwind turbines. These turbines do not face the wind, so that the wind actually hit back of the tower to make it to move. The third one is shrouded turbines. Some turbines have been added to structural design feature called augmenter. The augmenter intended to increase the amount of wind blows to passing through the blades. The next classification is vertical axis wind turbine. It is used very less frequently because their vertical design is not effective or efficient when compared to the horizontal design. In this vertical axis turbine, there are four classifications. The first one is Savonius turbine. It is S-shaped viewed from the above. It turns relatively slow, but it yields high torque. It has slow rotational speed, so it cannot produce much more electricity. The second one is flapping panel turbines. In this turbine, the wind can come from the any direction, so this turbine lacks durability and speed in higher winds. The third one is Darius turbine. It is the most famous one in the vertical axis wind turbine. It is achieved by or normally built with two or three C-shaped blades that capture the wind. The fourth one is Geromal turbines. It is achieved by two or three vertical airfoils with horizontal supports. This turbine is extremely inexpensive to make and it is good turbulence wind conditions. Thank you.